Hey guys, wanna know how to add freeze frames to your clips in DaVinci Resolve? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up and import any media from this media pool right here. And once you've done that, right here you can see this editor icon. Simply click on it. Now once you've done that, here you can see various clips and stocks right here. Now in order to add clips, just simply select the video first and then move the playhead to where you want the pause to be. Now right click on it and then search for change clip speed. Click on it and right here you can see a window pop up. Now make sure you select freeze frame, unselect pitch correction. Now once you've done that, simply select change, and after a while there you have it. Your freeze frame has been successfully added. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.